SoCo Customs, and today we have a 2024 GMC 2500 AT4 in this awesome gray color. It's the same color gray that we did on that Cognito 10-inch lift kit, but we did something completely different on this one. We started off with the Zone 5-inch lift kit. We added the Fox shocks to that. This is one of our favorites for these late model GM trucks. We've been basically putting these on trucks ever since this current generation was released. The wheels are going to be the Gear Off-Road 765B. They're going to be a 20x10 with a -19 offset. The tires are going to be the 35-12-50 R20 General Grabbers, and then we added some bumpers and lighting. The bumper is going to be the Smitty-built Adventure Series. This one includes the bull bar and has a spot for a winch, which we filled with the Warn VR Evo 12. And as for the lighting, we've got the 30-inch Rough Country light bar, and then 2 Rough Country pods, 1 spot and 1 flood per side. All right, guys, Brian, SoCo Customs, give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow. We'll see you in the next video.